In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video response to a discussion board in your online course. And so I like this idea for increasing your instructor presence because it kind of is a happy medium between the two scenarios where, like in the first one, students are contributing to the discussion throughout the week, and then at the end of the week, you go in and give everybody a grade, versus the other scenario where you're killing yourself throughout the week to keep up with the discussion and reply to every point or misconception or whatever. So what this allows you to do is create one overarching response to the discussion as a whole to kind of wrap up the discussion, give your thoughts, make any, clarifications, give kudos to students who did a great job or what have you. And so this is super simple to do. All you have to do is open your discussion. Just imagine there are lots of replies. This is just a sandbox course. So I have one reply from my test student. But as the instructor, I'm going to come in here and click reply. And it's going to give me the rich content editor where I can find the studio button. So it's usually hiding behind apps. If you don't see it, just click the little plug and look for studio. And then you'll see this three-dot menu at the top, and you're going to select webcam capture. Now you could potentially do a screen capture for this video if you wanted to like scroll through your whole discussion and really point out specific things that were said or what have you. Or you might want to just do a webcam video for this. So that's what I'm doing for my little demonstration. But so you can first check to make sure your mic is working by looking for that blue bar going up and down. If you don't see that, you can click the mic button and just click around until it gets to the microphone that works for you. And same with the webcam. So if you don't see yourself right away, like let's say if I turn this on and it was just dark, it might be because it's using the webcam in my laptop, which is currently closed. So I'm going to go ahead and select the correct webcam. And when I'm ready, I'm just going to click Start Recording. It's going to give me my countdown, and then I can just talk to my students, let them know all of those points that I mentioned, just let them know what a great job they did, how much I enjoyed the discussion, convey, anything that you want to your students. And then when you're done, click Finish. And then Save Media. And what I'm going to do here, honestly, is I am going to select it. And I'm not going to do the embed options. So if you've seen this before, this is what's going to allow students to comment on videos. But I'm kind of wrapping up the discussion at this point, so I'm going to turn those off for this video. But of course, it's completely up to you. And there it is. There's my video response to the discussion. I'm going to click Post Reply. And now I can alert my students, maybe via an announcement, that I've added this to the discussion, just in case they don't happen to go back in or what have you. But yeah, that's it. That's how you add a video response to your online discussions. You can always reach out to your school's ITC or 6Tech for more support.